Exercise can greatly boost mood by releasing endorphins, reducing stress and anxiety, and improving sleep. It also enhances self-esteem and offers social benefits, making it a powerful way to improve mental well-being overall. Hi everyone, welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today we are focusing our new topic, Top 5 Home Exercises to Get Fit Fast. Let's start. Walking workouts. This is great for beginners and anyone short on time. Walk at home or march in place to increase heart rate and burn calories. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. This is perfect for a quick sweat session. Alternate between 30 seconds of high-intensity moves and 15 seconds of rest. Squats and lunges. These classic moves target lower body strength, toning thighs, glutes, and calves while improving balance. Push-ups and planks. These, bodyweight exercises like these strengthen the upper body and core. Start with a modified version if you're a beginner. Core exercises. Like bicycle crunches and leg raises build core strength and improve stability. If you found Dr. Fit Facts lectures as a HIIT guidance platform, so please like, subscribe and share to encourage us. This workout combines key exercises to improve strength, flexibility, and cardio health at home. By engaging different muscle groups, it supports full body fitness, promotes endurance, and enhances overall wellness with consistent practice. So follow these exercises to boost up your body by in and out. Thank you.